To break 5 hours in the marathon, you don't need speed intervals. You need to master the art of relentless forward motion at 7:05 per kilometer. If you can currently run a 10K in under 70 minutes, you are ready for this plan. We are stripping away complex interval sessions to focus entirely on aerobic volume and durability. This 18-week cycle relies on a simple 4-day split. Your goal is time on feet, not intensity. We prioritize consistency over speed to prevent injury while building your aerobic engine. Here is the pace discipline required. Your race goal is roughly 7:00/km, but your easy runs must be significantly slower, around 7:30 to 8:00/km, to build mitochondria without burnout. The cornerstone is the weekend long run, peaking at 32 kilometers 3 weeks out. As discussed in episode 22, treat these as dress rehearsals. Practice your fueling strategy every time you run over 90 minutes. The plan follows a non-linear progression. We build volume for 3 weeks, then recover for 1. This step-loading approach ensures you absorb the training stress before the final taper. Trust the slow running. Speed comes from endurance.